Maybe, Chair, I'm still stuck to where the procurement, Madam Laboso said that there was an error of date. And no one has answered the question, where is the real letters that was provided? Because apart from what you have said below 5 million, I really want to see the letter. The OAG are not saying he has not seen the letter. Can maybe the governor provide us with the correct...
You see Annex 7. Annex 7.
Annex 7. I don't know. Let me Annex 7.
Let's be careful also, members, that the resolution of the committee was the EACC to do the investigation.
Yes.
So let us not be the ones investigating. Let them look at those letters, confirm their authenticity, and indeed, if there's an explanation, then I believe that EACC can advise us that yes, we have seen the letters. This matter is not irregular as claimed.
But Chair, it is only for one Magrer Kapkeleje Ramkoi Road.
Is you have Annex 9 for others, I think Annex 9.
Okay. I can see Annex 9. There is nothing under Annex 9. This annual development plan. Annex 10. So my question only, Chair, will be, why was this letters or this information provided to the OAG? Governor, why was it not provided to OAG?
Chair, let me clarify.
Yes.
At the time we were auditing these financial statements, they were not provided.